Hello folks, welcome back for another practice session. See how far we get today. I'm going to start off with the 2-1-6-2. I've been experimenting a lot with this set. I found out it's turned out to be one of my favorites. It's a forward rotation, a little bit over 3-1-2. It's a little bit past the pass line, or a little bit before the don't pass line works out best for me. So give it a try, see how it works for you. Remember, always practice at home first until you get comfortable with the dice. Okay. 5, 4, 1. 5's the point. This combination just gives a lot of 8 and 9 in my hand, and it hits a lot of the high numbers. Eight, 5, 3. The throw is a little bit awkward because it's a forward rotation. 5, 3, 8. I have to twist my wrist. That's what gives that awkward landing. Basically, is a grip of one side, overlap with the middle finger overlapping, and when you toss it, it's a twist forward. It's like that. 9, 4, 5. That worked out pretty good. That's what I really want. Try to stick that landing. Again, I hope you guys keep up your practice. We're at 5 roll already so far. We'll just keep going with it. 2, 1, 1. Okay, we're at 6 roll. This is what the math says. For every 6 roll, there's a 7 coming up. Six, 5, 1. Oh, sorry, flipped it. Like I said, I'm practicing without the chips on the table for now. And when I reach my goal, I'll place a chip back on the table and practice with that till I hit the goal again. 8, 4, 4. That's 9 roll. Now the 7 usually show up on the 10 for me. So just gotta remember to shut my bet off when I'm at the casino for the 10th roll. 3, 1, 2. Okay, that was the 10th roll. Seven. Yeah, that was a 10. That was the 7 out on the 10th row. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah. Okay. We'll end the video, keep it short, and we'll restart for the next row.